Patricia Yuliana Indarido. I'm from 11th grade language. Here, I want to make boiled taro with chili paste. The material and tools are as follow. The first ingredient here is taro, 1 tomato, salt, seasoning, shell, and sin. Okay, thus were the material and tools. As now let's move on to how to make it. First, the taro is peeled. Then wasted. Then put in the pot and cook for about 30 minutes. While waiting for the taro cook, we continue the prepare the chili paste. Prepare according to taste, then 1 tomato, salt, oil, and chili paste. Don't forget to seasoning. Then heat the oil and fry all the ingredients that we are prepared earlier. Then pour, don't forget to, and pouring. After about 30 minutes, take it out and serve it with chili paste. Don't forget to try it home. Bye bye!